What's up guys, how you all doing? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to add photo on Widgetsmith. Very easy. Let's get to the video. Now go to photos, click on the photo you want to use, click on the arrow, add to album, create new album, use, dog, save, move back. Go to the second photo you want to use, click on the arrow, add to album, add new album, new, then you save it. Then you go to your home screen, click on widget, add small widget, click on number 2, click on default widget, scroll down till you see photos in album, click on photos in album, selected photo album, then scroll down till you see dog, then move back, click on the arrow, then click save, then you scroll down, add large widget, click on it, click on default widget, scroll down till you see photos in album, click selected album, scroll down till you see me, then you move back, then you save, then you come back to your screen, click till the app starts shaking, click the plus, click on search for Widgetsmith, add small widget, click on it, click on 2, add large widget, search for Widgetsmith, then scroll till you see large widget, then add widget, then click on it, then click on widget number 1, click on it, then boom, that's how you do it. So if this video was helpful, like, comment, share and subscribe.